Good evening, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. Anthony, Wall Street Trader, 1:05 p.m. Eastern Standard. It's December 26, 2021. This is not financial advice. We are only educational and to outline my own personal opinions. Not for you to do. Subscribe, hit the bell, share the video, click the thumbs up. STORJ, here we are. Consolidating. This looks really, really, really good. This looks like a flag, and let me just draw it out here. So this is a flag in my view. Let me just get the colors into something a little more, maybe not the best color, but good enough for now. I think you guys can see this on your phone, but it looks like a flag or a pennant or something like that. But effectively, you typically have a flagpole that comes up, and this is a shitty looking flag, excuse me and my French, but yeah, there we go. It could potentially kind of cycle through here and then make a breakout. But we are over $1.96 on the line of support at 204. And looks like we might be in for a rally back up to 223. Now let's go over to STORJ to Bitcoin. This is the flag in, for those who are on their phone. Now let's go over to STORJ Bitcoin. So support 196, 220 something on the resistance. This is also looking pretty good here, folks. This is let me just get my little thingy there. This looks like we have a nice area of support as well. And this is a dual area of support. So I'm expecting possibly this thing to really take a nice shot up, because up here is 47.65. It's almost 20% from where we are. 20% here is about 40 cents. 40 cents takes us all the way up to around here. So, I think this one could shoot straight up to this level up here. And I'm going to keep my eye on this. But this is a good dual line of support. I expect something good to happen on the back of this. Now, Bitcoin has been slightly under pressure overnight. Make no mistake about it. Santa did leave, but we did have a bounce down. So we've seen this happen before. We have a lower low and then a bounce back up. So we're still over the downward broadening wedge, which is a good sign. We didn't break back into it and then wonder when the next breakout would be. At least we're over it, although still, you have a trend line going down, and so it kind of stinks to be on it. You want to be on a trend line going up. But at the same time, these things are meant to come back up in relatively short order back to where these things started, 68. So I am still expecting that to happen. I do see that we might run into a little resistance at 54K. But that's typical, typical cycling up. You're always going to hit an area of resistance. There's always resistance somewhere, and there's always support somewhere as well. Okay, Bitcoin dominance, 39.83. I'm not worried about it. It's kind of just staying in its lane here. We do have 39.50. Back in September, we had a low there. 39.50 and 39.60 all the way back in May. So we're still at almost a pretty nice low on Bitcoin dominance. I think it's going to wind up going sideways, honestly, right now. Nothing much going on. Tonight should be the big tell for Bitcoin, Omicron, and all that good stuff. We'll see how the equities market plays out tonight, at least the futures market. And, from my neck of the woods, there are lines around the block for coronavirus testing. So be safe anyway, and keep your eye on the equity markets tonight. Talk soon.